So we're coming back. I just finished the medium grit whetstone, and you can start to see a little bit of that mirror happening on the blade, but it's still not a super shiny polish like I want. So now I'm going to switch to the finest grit whetstone that I have, and I think this is like a 10,000 grit, 13,000 or something. Anyway, so we're going to do the same process there that we've been doing. Leveling out our stone, using the pattern to keep our sandpaper from wearing evenly. And again, these are whetstones, so they like to be used wet. Now I'm going to do the other side to balance it out. Rinse off. Right. Cool. Now bring it back to the pad and do the same motion that we've been doing throughout this process. Holding our knife like so, and running, doing our... This being the finest stone, we've hopefully polished out all the nicks that we've had, and if you still have those as you've gotten to this stage, you can go back to the coarser stones and start over. So that's something that you want to get out before you switch to the finer stones to get that final mirror polish on. Alright, now I'm going to count down from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that I've done 5, I'm going to decrease it down to 4 strokes on the side. Oop, I always went to 5 on that one. Now on the third. Three. Two. 12. No. Dose. Eins. I don't know, I forgot. 2. I don't know. I swear I know how to count in more languages than like 3. Now on a final pass. And one more. I'm pretty pleased with that, but it's still not that 100% mirror polish that I'm looking for. So I'm going to continue giving that some work, potentially. Trying to find a piece of paper so I can cut with it to give the internet tests that everyone does. It's terrible. Maybe it's something to do. It's just ripping everything. If that means anything to you, there you go. Thanks for checking in. I still got a little bit more work to do. But there you have it.